In this demo, I will show you a new functionality of Thoth. Is managing lifecycle of data that we aggregate and store in our knowledge graph. So when you go to Management API, you can see that there are new endpoints under purge section. And basically, these endpoints can delete data that are stored in Thoth. So there are three delete endpoints that can delete results of advisor runs that were synced to database. Then results of package extract runs that were synced to database. And the third one is deleting results of solver runs that were synced into database. These three endpoints work solely on the database side. So if you provide secret and analysis ID, the logic behind it will query the knowledge graph, will delete result that is corresponding to the analysis ID. Then there are three other endpoints. These are post endpoints because they schedule a workflow on the backend. So these are responsible for deleting data, but they are responsible for deleting data that are specified based on some criteria. So if we take a look at, for example, the purge advisor endpoint, we can see that there are two options as of now, how you can delete advisor data. So you can either delete data that were produced by advisor in some specific version, or you can delete data based on date time when the given advisor result was produced. And that means that all the data that were before this date time will be deleted from that were stored, that were created by advisor and stored in the database before this date time will be removed from that database. So if we will do this, all advisor documents that were produced before this date time will be deleted. Moreover, we can specify also advisor version as in this case, and this will cause that advisor results that correspond to this specific advisor version that were produced before this date time will be deleted. So I can try to do that. So if I provide a secret and this request body, then I can submit this. And on the backend side, we will see this workflow. So if you go to Argo UI, you can see that Argo is running a workflow. As of now, it has just one task, and that is purge that will delete data that are corresponding to that post body. As of now, we manage data only on database side, but later on we can extend this functionality so that the data that are no longer stored or no longer needed to be stored on Ceph, then this asynchronous task can also make sure that Ceph data are correctly managed. So that's probably it. Do you have any questions?
Yeah, just one question. Why not having also the start time? I don't know, you maybe produce some data, but you realize they are wrong or stuff like that. Do we want to have something like also an extra parameter to the purge job? Yes.
Mm-hmm. Yes, we can definitely add that.
Okay.
So in the meantime, we see that the purge job finished. And that's it. Okay, any other question? So just to add, you can see that there are other parameters. So for example, for solver, there are solver-specific parameters where you can specify Fedora version, for example, or operating system name, operating system version, and Python version. That means when Fedora will go end of life, we can purge the database, remove these old entries, and ingest data for new Fedora release. Okay, if there are no more new questions, thank you.